The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. Forest Service Sierra Avalanche Center. At 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong winds up to 75 miles per hour was reported all across the Northeast. As a result, numerous avalanches are occurring in the following states: Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, Long Island, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Champlain, Vermont, New Hampshire, New Ireland, Maine, and Madawaska. What? A period of high avalanche danger may occur within the next 10 minutes or is already occurring. When? Effective until Friday at 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Where? The entire Northeast region. Impacts: a winter storm with gale force winds, high-intensity snowfall, and several feet of snow accumulation may result in widespread avalanche activity in the mountains. Large avalanches could occur in a variety of areas. Actions: very dangerous avalanche conditions may occur. Travel in and near avalanche terrain is not recommended during high avalanche danger. All residents in the Northeast must seek shelter immediately, as getting trapped inside of snow can be extremely dangerous. If you're trapped inside of the snow, remain calm. Panicking will make the situation worse. Make a space around your face and protect your airways. If you have a phone with you, dial 911 immediately. If you are evacuating, do not look at the blood moon. Doing so will trigger it and will make you answer a question to prove your worthiness towards Tartarus. Choosing poorly or ignoring the question completely will result in the following consequences: getting struck by lightning randomly, a time rift spawns on top of the victim which will drop down an object made completely by acid, or a death hand forms from thin air and will chase the victim until it makes contact. When the hand makes contact, expect a sharp, stinging, and burning pain, almost like getting shot. Evacuating will be extremely dangerous due to frequent sky-to-ground lightning, celestial debris, boulder-sized snowballs, airstrikes, falling stars, and time rifts occurring worldwide. All residents who are planning on evacuating must watch for the foreign objects. Getting hit will result in injuries or worse. Repeating, numerous avalanches are occurring in the Northeast. Seek shelter now.